Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really cool video and yeah, I'm a little scared. So in today's video, we are doing a full face makeup challenge with only makeup that is $1. Before we jump into this video, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is in partnership with Missa Cosmetics, Missa Makeup, Missa.com. They are a really cool website where all of their makeup is $1. Once I'm finished with this whole $1 makeup look, I want to hear what you guys think about this makeup look, if it's worth it, if it's not worth it. So get ready to comment below, but let's jump into it. So I have a bunch of products right here from Missa.com, all $1 products. Let's see what we got here and jump into the tutorial. Mwah. So don't mind my little headpiece, guys. I am on the phone with the airlines because there's gonna be a snowstorm and I am not trying to be in the middle of it. Alright guys, we're gonna start off with this brow pencil. This is from AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil in medium brown. Let's zoom you guys in. Alright guys, so now I'm going to take some concealer to conceal these brows because I don't think I did so good. This is the Wonder Cover Concealer from also AOA Studios, and this is in the color Light Ivory. We have a flat brush from AOA Studios too that I'm going to use to help kind of shape out my brows. So I was prepared, you guys, just in case we got any of the colors wrong for this tutorial because I wanted to do the best that I could do. This color looks just a little bit too warm to be my concealer. It looks warmer in person. So I also got the highlighter concealer in the color highlighter. It's just a white concealer also from AOA Studio. So we're just gonna mix a little bit of this in to lighten up the concealer for the brows and also later for under the eyes. So I think this color is just a little bit better. We did it, we did it! It's actually really creamy. I kinda like it. Then to prime my eyes, I'm using the AOA Studio Perfect Eyeshadow Primer. For eyeshadow, I'm using this LA Colors Matte Eyeshadow Palette. I'm taking the F19 brush from AOA Studio, dipping it into that matte color just to set the eyes. Guys, it's looking good so far. Then I'm gonna jump into this little brown shadow here. I'm actually gonna mix it with the pink so that we can have more of a warmer tone for the crease. And this is the AOA E135 brush. And we're just going to blend that. So not as pigmented as I would have hoped, you guys, but the color's still there. I'm seeing it. And this is just transition color, so I'm not looking for too much of a crazy transition. For all of this makeup being $1, you would think, you know, oh my god, no way, but everything's going pretty well. Let's not speak too soon. I'm gonna jump to this palette right here. This is from Muse Cosmetics, and I'm going to take this middle color just to deepen up the transition. Jumping back to the LA Colors palette, I'm gonna use a little bit of the dark brown mixed with the lighter brown to also deepen up the transition. Just trying to look for some deep, good transition colors here, guys. This one, oh, this is better. There we go. We're getting some transition in there. By the way, these brush kits were only $10 and they come with a solid 10 brushes and they're not bad. And I'm not just saying that. I'm being serious. I think as long as you have soft brushes, you can make it work. So for the lid, I'm gonna apply this cream shadow right here. And then for the inner corners, I'm gonna apply this lighter shimmer color in the inner corners and also the brow bone. I'm gonna do like a smoky liner. So first I'm gonna take this dark brown color and place it on my eyes as close to my lash line as possible. Then I'm gonna apply some black liquid liner. We're gonna do a wing. We're gonna do a wing. Have not done a winged liner in a while. So this may not be the product, it may just be me. So I'm gonna have my flat brush, by the way, that was E115 on hand, and we're just gonna do a little bit at a time, and I'm gonna blend it out with the brush. Now for the wing, you guys, this brush is very stable. It doesn't really move from where it is. It's like kind of like a plastic applicator. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep the wand really straight and just lightly pull it out, again, with my brush. You guys, I think I did pretty good on that wing. I think I did pretty good. Now I'm gonna apply some mascara. This is the LA Colors Lash Building Mascara. Then to top it off, because we just like can't forget lashes, guys. These are the Luella lashes from also AOA Studio. So I'm gonna pop these lashes on, and then we are going to move to the face. For our skin, we're going to be using the AOA Studio Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer. And if you look at it up close, it has little gold specks in it. How pretty. For our foundation, this is the AOA Studio Perfect BB Cream in the color medium. And just in case this is too dark, I'm going to add a little bit of that white concealer to it. To apply, I'm going to use a squishy pink beauty blender, also from AOA Studios. It actually feels like this is going to be a really good blender. This is actually a pretty good match, and this is definitely more light coverage, but we're gonna make it a little more medium coverage with our concealer. So we're mixing the highlights and the ivory concealer together for underneath my eyes and in all the highlight areas of my face. So now we're gonna move on to powder. We're gonna set this whole skincare here, and we're using the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder, and this is the soft light color. Now for blush, because we need some color in this face, this is from Amuse Cosmetics, and it's in the color number 2. We're just going to use the blush right here at the top. For bronzer, we're using the Giove USA Sun Glow Shimmer Bronzer. For highlighter, I have this highlighter from AOA Studios in the color Cupcake. I'm going to be using this highlighter, but I'm also going to mix it a little bit with a lighter color, which is this highlighter right here from the Amuse palette, just so that it is the perfect highlighter for my skin tone. Alright guys, what do you think so far? Let's move on to the lips. So I'm going to be using an AOA Studio lip pencil. This is in the color Bombshell. For lipstick, this is the e.l.f. lipstick in Nostalgic. And then to top it off, I'm just going to add a little bit of gloss. This is the LA Colors Moisturizing Glossy Lips Sheer Lip Gloss in the color Popsicle Dream. All of these have such cute names. And that is it for this look. So that is it for this $1 makeup tutorial. How do you guys think I did? Comment down below and let me know your thoughts on how you think I did on this look. But thank you guys so much for tuning into this really fun challenge video. It was really cool seeing how all of these products work, and also finding super affordable products that you can use, that you can make work. So thank you again so much for tuning in, guys. I hope to see you really soon. Don't forget to subscribe right here and check out all of my other videos right here. See you guys soon.